said, look, if I had this system, I wouldn't really even need to come to your office or your workplace. I could do this remotely. We've basically gone 360 degrees and gone from a paper-based system more or less to an online electronic system. Technology is the way forward, and we're there to adapt to it.
So David, I'd love to understand what the vision for compliance, safety and operations is at MJ Conroy.
Obviously, we have to meet minimum national and international standards. The demands and expectations from those clients are very high from the point of view of the safety and quality perspective. And from Conroy's perspective, we have to make sure that internally our controls and our systems meet those minimum standards. We've got to all the time drive that within the company, drive that with our suppliers, our contractors. The use of systems like HammerTech just is another way of cementing or improving and developing that system. So from our perspective, that is the key for us. Our motto is, work safe, home safe. In the day, it's a job. It's just a job. Your family is your priority.
You undertook a process to go and select a solution to be able to help you realize that vision. What was that process like, and what was it that you were really looking for?
The systems in Ireland for contractors of our size and scale would be primarily from a health and safety and quality perspective, would be a lot of paper-based manual system. We believe that there is no other system on the market here at present that's all-encompassing, that has all the modules that are there that HammerTech have and that is being developed like HammerTech.
What surprised you that you didn't sort of realize was going to be one of the benefits that you're starting to realize?
For us, I think that's probably going to be the huge benefit, that we have central access to all information at the touch of a button, be it on site or here in my office or at home or on my laptop or on my phone, no matter where I am or any of our safety advisors or management are. And we can relay that to our client or to whoever by giving them access or giving them permissions to access certain modules. The quality of the information that HammerTech was able to present to the client and to the auditor, and they said, look, if I had this system, I wouldn't really even need to come to your office or your workplace. I could do this remotely. We've been able to demonstrate that we have adapted and brought in this system. We've basically gone 360 degrees and gone from a paper-based system more or less to an online electronic system. We mean business from the point of view of our standards, and that we're there to drive technology, and technology is the way forward, and we're there to adapt to it. Contractors have been very adaptable and very impressed with it to a large extent. They can see the benefits of it in more ways than one. If you can get your orientation done or your induction done before you come to site, that means you can start on site more or less straight away when you come to site.
Could you take me through the implementation experience that you've had? How have you found it so far?
The interface on it is very good, and HammerTech are improving it all the time. So it's anyone who has any proficiency in computer skills should be able to get through it, and they will be able to manage it. And the support that we've been getting from your colleagues on the technical side of it is excellent.
Any noticeable changes that you've seen in your HSE culture or your EHS culture so far?
You engage with your employees and your contractors quite a bit more from the point of view of safety and safety management. They're more of a team that they have access to the relevant sections on their smartphones or on the tablets. There's more involvement from them, and the more that they feel that they're involved, the more that they can benefit the safety culture, and it improves the safety culture across the board within the company.